Hi, and welcome to this new episode of the Monroe Information Channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about Monroe Protection Kits and its essential role in safety, stability, and suspension performance. Monroe Protection Kits are made of two essential parts: the compression bumper and the dust cover. The compression bumper is made of a high-density polyurethane foam. This element has a specific conical shape that reacts, becoming harder the more the unit is compressed. This element is placed on the top part of the strut's piston rod and has the main task of limiting roll, dive, and squad of bodywork. When correctly fitted and maintained, with the vehicle loaded with one person of 80 kilograms at the driving seat, the free stroke, that means the free vertical movement of the shock absorber, is limited from 3.5 to 5 centimeters. Therefore, it is easy to understand that when this element is worn out or shortened, the stroke of the shock absorber will be much bigger, resulting in an increase of uncontrolled bodywork oscillations. The compression bumper has the important task of limiting the bodywork oscillations in two main situations. First, lateral oscillations, caused in general when the vehicle travels around a sharp bend, and second, controlling drive and squad, when the vehicle brakes or accelerates abruptly, or when the vehicle is subject to strong impacts due to holes or uneven road surfaces. In both situations, good protection kits will make the car more stable, will protect other suspension parts as shocks, springs, and ball joints from premature aging, increasing steering control, road holding, and reducing braking distance. The second key element of the Monroe Protection Kit is the dust cover. This element is generally made of a high-resistance rubber and has the important task of protecting the shock absorber rod from contact with abrasive particles like mud, salt, asphalt, water, dust, etc. that could irreversibly damage the chrome surface and make the shock absorber useless. When the rod surface is damaged, it usually causes scratches at the shock absorber's oil seal, causing the oil and the gas, if the shock absorber is pressurized, to escape from the unit, making it useless. This situation seriously jeopardizes vehicle safety, increasing the risk of having a serious accident. The working life of protection kits can vary widely depending on its use and the climate where those units were operating. But as a general rule, based on the vast experience accumulated after more than 100 years manufacturing these units in all the continents, Monroe recommends replacing them after 80,000 kilometers and always when the struts are replaced. For more information about our products, don't miss the next episodes of the Monroe Information Channel. And feel free to join us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn, as well as at Tenneco Technical Area, located at www.training.tenneco.com, where you will be able to see all the commercial as well as technical information about our products, Monroe, Walker, and Rancho. Thank you for watching us, and see you soon in the next episodes of Monroe Information Channel.